A new class of urban holographic displays uses ambient light and photonic processors to project context-aware visuals without screens. Experts say these displays could transform public spaces with real-time overlays, wayfinding, and emergency guidance. Researchers note challenges in privacy, latency, and energy efficiency that must be solved before street corners glow. Pilot tests place transparent panels in glass facades, sharing data streams that adapt to weather, crowds, and events. If scalable, this could redefine urban interaction, weaving information into daily life and opening new creative and economic possibilities.